Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.03. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.41%. This equates to an average return of 0.2% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest rising trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further upward movement. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 7.23% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.21% to 9.53%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a projected change of 26.41% over the next year, with potential returns between 18.8% and 28.91%. This would imply a price range of approximately $644.96 to $699.88 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for VOO ETF after gaining a small fraction. The VOO ETF price increased by a small fraction on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, rising from $542.68 to $542.90. It has now seen gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to observe whether it can maintain this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.05%, ranging from a low of $537.44 to a high of $543.07. The price has risen on 7 out of the last 10 days, although it is still down by 0.08% over this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.08 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $551.72, while the lowest price was $416.57. Currently, the price is 1.6%, or $8.82, below the 52-week high of $551.72, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent bullish forecasts for the S&P 500 indicate strong optimism for the market, particularly for VOO. Wells Fargo has raised its S&P 500 target for 2025, reinforcing the belief that stocks will extend their bull market run, supported by a robust economy. Similarly, Evercore's chief equity strategist predicts the S&P could reach 6,600 by mid-2025, suggesting sustained growth momentum amid a favorable economic backdrop. The anticipated strength of the U.S. economy, coupled with the potential influence of Donald Trump's policy changes, is likely to bolster investor confidence, making equity investments more attractive. As the markets digest these developments, we are witnessing a rally within major indices, with VOO benefiting as part of the diversified exposure it offers to the S&P 500. Additionally, The upcoming NVIDIA earnings report may significantly sway market sentiment, especially within tech stocks. With analysts lining up bullish predictions, including forecasts from Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, stating the S&P could reach 6,500 by the end of 2025, VOO stands to gain from this expansive outlook. In the short term, such positive sentiment could lead to heightened demand for VOO, potentially driving its price up as investors seek to capitalize on a growing market. Long term, these optimistic evaluations of economic conditions and corporate earnings could result in sustained gains for VOO, aligning investor strategies with a buy-and-hold approach. The following signals have been identified for the VOO exchange-traded fund. The VOO ETF is currently displaying a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $544.03. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the long-term average at around $535.41. A breakthrough above the short-term average will signal a buy, while a drop beneath the long-term average will indicate a sell. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, it is noteworthy that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, warranting close observation of the ETF. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11, 2024, with the ETF having fallen by 1.37% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger signals also indicated a buy opportunity 8 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 6 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average had a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 75 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 249 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $527.57. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund demonstrates controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as very low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $5.63 between its high and low, or 1.05%. In the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.98%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for VOO is at $543.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $527.57. Should this support level remain intact, it might present a favorable entry point in anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $524.35, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of November, we anticipate that VOO will open down by $1.76, starting at $541.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.